I thank everyone who's helped and supported me as president and the club this year. There are so many of you. If I miss anyone in my recognitions, I apologize in advance. I would like to recognize the club officers for Rotary Year 2011-2012 who were instrumental in making this a successful year. President-elect Ron Lieberman. Ron is a past president as well as president-elect. He is very much involved in many areas of the club and has backed me throughout the year. Secretary Lisa Campbell. Although Lisa was ill for much of the year, she continued to work as our secretary as best she could, often working from home when she could not attend the meetings. We lost Lisa to cancer in March. It was a great loss to our club and to Rotary. Not only was Lisa a great Rotarian, she was a wonderful, sweet lady and a good friend. Although he could not be here tonight, this award will go to Lisa's husband, Miguel, to show how much she meant to us. Treasurer, Andy Garganta. Not only was Andy our club treasurer, handling our finances, he was also instrumental in organizing our monthly happy hours at Rocco's.
They were better at the happy hour.
Sergeant at Arms, Ron Roman. As Sergeant of Arms, Ron kept us in line. Made us pay up when we were late. Made us pay up when we traveled. Made us pay up when we were happy or sad. He's very good at getting money out of us.
Thank you, Nancy.
Thank you.
Tom, you were late.
I also want to recognize the board of directors. These are the decision makers who provide us a tremendous amount of support throughout the year. Past president, Tom Boswell. Tom's experience as immediate past president made him a valuable member of the board. During the year, Tom also did a bang-up job on the club newsletter while we were in the process of setting up our website, and somehow still found time to be an advisor for the Rotaract Club at the University of Miami. Tom?
Got it.
Club Service Director Bruce Seaton. I believe Bruce is here tonight, but not only was Bruce an active member of the board of directors, contributing valuable input, he was co-sergeant in arms. He was also good at getting money out of it. Vocational Director, Claire Waterman Powell. Claire is also a past president of our club. She's very active in a number of organizations, but always finds time to offer help and support to Rotary. I often turn to her for advice as a kindred spirit. Community Service Director Ronnie Heller. Ronnie's another past president of our club. She coordinates our collection efforts for many projects that we do each year, such as book bags for homeless children, Thanksgiving dinners for foster families, and shelter box, just to mention a few. Through her efforts, we've been able to reach out to many in need. Ronnie couldn't be with us tonight because She had surgery a couple of weeks ago, but we'll present her award when she's recuperated. International Director of Service, Dr. J. That's because I can't pronounce his name. Is not only an active member of our board, he also quietly goes about helping the homeless, initiating minority HIV care clinics, contributing to inner city education, as well as disaster relief in Honduras, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and Haiti. Dr. J couldn't be with us tonight because he's out of town at a speaking engagement. His award will be presented when he returns also. New Generations Director, Debbie Lowe. Yay. Debbie's a tremendous support to the club as chair of the scholarship committee. She and her committee meet with each scholarship applicant to select those who are most deserving. Although Debbie's involved in many community organizations, she's a very active board member and supporter of our club activities. Director at Large, Joe Stephen. Joe wears many hats. Not only was he a board member this year, he was the assistant governor for our area. He was the Rotary Foundation chair. He's a past president. And in many instances, he was my go-to person when I had Rotary questions. I could always rely on Joe for sound advice. Thank you, Joe.